Hey everybody, we are going to be doing a Costco haul today. I tend to get to Costco about once a month these days, and so this will be our August haul. I am going to be going to a Costco that's a little farther away from my house. The one that's the closest to my house gets so incredibly busy, and I do think it's a little bit smaller than some of them. Definitely the parking lot is smaller, so sometimes you have to circle the parking lot just on a regular, weekday when it shouldn't be so hard. It's not even like right before a holiday or something, and you're still circling the parking lot trying to get a spot. So I'm going to drive a little bit further to go to a little bit bigger of a Costco with a little bit bigger of a parking lot. And it works out because I'm picking up my niece to stay with us for a few nights. And so we're meeting there. That's kind of halfway between my brother's house and our house, so it works out to combine those trips. So I am heading out with 3 of the kids. Before we get going, I want to let you know that this video is sponsored by Hiya. Hiya is a children's vitamin. This is the one that my kids take. I love Hiya because they use super high quality forms of vitamins. Sometimes you can take vitamins and they are just garbage quality and your body can't actually use them very efficiently, but Hiya has put together some really highly absorbable forms of the vitamins. I also love how eco-friendly they are because they give you this cute little glass bottle on your first order, and then every month after that you get a little eco-friendly pouch that you can just open up and pour into your glass bottle, so you don't throw away plastic bottles every month. It just reduces the carbon footprint and reduces the waste. And then my kids just genuinely enjoy taking their vitamin every morning. It's a little bit of a treat for them, and I absolutely love any way that I can make healthy habits fun. Hiya has a special offer for my viewers. You can get 50% off of your first order if you use my link. The link is hiyahealth.com/indigo. Just click on that link and that will get you 50% off your first order. So it's a great way to try it out, see if it's a good fit for your kids. Thank you so much to Hiya for sponsoring today's video. What's the game that we play in the car?
I don't know.
What's it called?
Yellow car.
Yellow car, and what do we do?
Try to find yellow cars.
And whoever gets the most yellow cars wins?
Yeah.
Who won, Levi?
I'm not yet. No.
Oh, it's not over yet?
Oh.
I think Levi won. He got so many yellow cars.
Levi got 10. I got 14 because that one,
Oh.
I think I got
12.
I think I won.
I got like 7.
I definitely got
How many did you get, Renee?
None.
None?
I didn't get any.
Well, look in the parking lot. There's got to be a yellow car here somewhere. And they have the stainless steel Vitamix container. I love that. All right. Ninja Foodie Blender. Cuisinart. Oh, there's some vacuum sealing bags. There's a Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven. That looks nice. $189.99. You what?
Ninja Foodie.
What did you say, Levi?
There's a double air fryer.
A double air fryer. Who would ever think of such a thing?
No. The air fryer has 2 drawers.
Yeah, 2 drawers.
Yes.
I still like these Pendleton cups.
You should get one, Mom.
I don't need them, but they're on sale.
They're nice.
If anybody else needs some, they only have like one color here today. It looks like last time they had other colors. Mickey Mouse, Hello Kitty. Oh, I love these bowls. I have like 3 sets of them, and we use them all the time. No, they're the same.
No, this is definitely shorter.
No, they're the same. They're definitely the same.
Oh, match my shirt.
Yeah. Definitely the same. All right, these are also good for pantry organization. I use these a lot. You need these, huh?
Bars.
These are just the containers. It's not the bars.
These are really good for bars.
Yeah, we have some of these too. Produce keepers for the fridge and pantry. That's crazy. Look at these dreams sets. Those are weird.
Is that like a show?
I don't know. Oh, it says watch series online.
Maybe it's a show that we
They're
don't
pretty
know.
crazy. Minecraft. They have a lot of options of Legos today. Oh, these are cool.
so
I love
fun.
these.
I want to get one of those someday.
Yeah.
So pretty.
$36.99. I got this one for Autumn for her birthday one year. They're so cute.
These ones look like
I know, they just have so many Legos today.
These
What's
look
up with
like
that?
autumn, like
Yeah, like autumn, like the season, not just autumn.
look at all like
Your
all these
sister.
little gears put together and
Yeah, those are cool.
like, need for me?
We might need some bananas. Levi says he ate them all already. 6 or 4? How about 2?
Yeah.
Sound good?
But we always eat them too fast.
I know, you do eat them too fast, but they're not on sale. If they were on sale, I would stock up.
Yeah, but you don't go to Costco that often. Can you still get some if they're not on sale?
Yeah, they just cost more.
Oh.
Yeah. Tri-tip sirloin with garlic peppercorn rub. Those look good. $6.01 per pound. Beef sirloin tri-tip with seasoning blend. Cultured dextrose. Yeah, these look good. Oh, so it has rice pilaf.
I got the bananas.
Okay.
They were super ripe, like all
Oh,
of them
okay.
were
That's
super
fine.
ripe.
Ooh, these look good. Bone-in beef short ribs. 20% sauce. 6 carbs per 4-ounce serving. Not terrible, but looks good. Carne asada. 3 grams of sugar, 5 grams of carbs. What is in it? Oh, corn syrup, solids, sugar. Huh?
Had flautas. They're so
Oh, you got
good.
flautas in Mexico?
So good.
Yeah, I bet.
They're amazing.
Cauliflower sandwich rounds. Simple ingredients: cauliflower, egg, Parmesan cheese, nutritional yeast. Those look yummy. $10 for 14 count. Talia needs some special cheese. What special cheese do you want this time?
Is that it?
I mean, that's the Irish cheddar, but do you want to try something different?
No.
There's English cheddar. That might be good.
Irish cheddar is so good.
There's smoked Gouda, creamy Havarti. That one's really good. The flagship cheddar. It comes in those little sticks too that are good. Oh, smoked flagship. Except it's $14.59 per pound.
English cheddar.
English cheddar. Let me see. It's rugged and mature.
What? I didn't know.
I like my English cheddar like I like my men. Rugged and mature. We'll try some of the creamy Havarti as well.
Try it.
Kerrygold is on sale. We'll get some of that then. If I can get it out. Let's see, is there a limit? Limit 5. I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 more.
Freezer in here?
No, it's a refrigerator. We just passed a whole pile of paramedics working on a guy. It looks like one of the guys that was serving samples. It's very sad. I hope he's okay. Ooh, these are on sale, and they're the Real Good Foods. Let's see what they're made out of. Those look yummy. Let's see. Oh, tortilla modified wheat starch, enriched flour. I thought these were keto things, but maybe they're not all keto. Oh, it does say 5 net. Wow, it says 5 net carbs,
Get them. They look
but
delicious.
no, they're just wheat tortillas.
I don't know, but you don't like skip.
And ravioli often has eggs.
I wouldn't be surprised if it had eggs.
Yes! Yummy!
Sausage.
Look at all those chomps. Do I need any chomps? I think I'll just get one of the jalapeno.
No.
They're not too spicy, and I like the flavor.
Let me go see what that is.
Oh yeah, you can look. You can look
People are
at
waiting
those.
for it. I can't tell what it is.
Okay.
Man ones.
Man ones, not the girl ones, but the man ones.
I want to have
Oh, that one's cool. I didn't know they had Archer's minis here. Let's see. $16.79 for 28 of the little, they're the little ones. I like that. I might get one of those because Levi often would just do a little one. Huh? Sure. Hey, hey, wait.
And can I go look at the books?
Sure.
Yay.
Okay.
What are those?
Cream cheese.
We got so many stuff.
So many stuff. Yeah, cheese, fruit, and nut packs. Those are cool.
And we each got one.
Good.
Are they good?
One, two. Okay. I'm so glad the price of bacon has gone down a little bit. It was getting ridiculous. There we go.
Mom, can we get chicken nuggets?
Nope.
How about Dino Buddy?
Are they made out of dinosaur?
Probably.
If it's made out of dinosaur, I'll buy it.
Really?
Yes.
Baking soda.
But I caught you.
Primal Kitchen Buffalo Mayo.
Got him.
Primal Kitchen Regular Mayo.
He's good.
What are those? Thank you.
Okay.
All right, over here, kids. Korean barbecue. Oh, now you need water.
$14.49. Credit. 3.50. 14.
On what side? Mom, can I try one of those one more time?
Yeah.
Because I just want one.
Do you like them? They're really good. I have no idea what the ingredients are, but they sure taste good.
I thought you were going.
Something I don't say often.
I did?
Cheese.
Come on, cheese. All right, you got it. Oh, I didn't like that. Here are all the non-food items I got. Just paper towels, toilet paper, and Epsom salt. I guess the baking soda kind of counts as non-food. It's like half food, half non-food because I use it for cleaning and baths and things. And then here is all of the food. 2 packs of bacon. We like the lower sugar, lower sodium bacon, not because we're fans of lower sodium, but we just like the taste of it better. And then we got 2 packs of bananas, and Levi is patiently waiting for a banana to eat in the car. A thing of the Grillo's pickles, a bunch of different cheeses. We got some coastal English cheddar, some creamy Havarti, some string cheese, and some cream cheese. I like getting it in the bars like this instead of in the tub because, well, first of all, the tub has added ingredients to keep it more stable, but I like just being able to open 1 pack at a time and the other ones keep really well. You don't have to open the whole thing at once. We got 2 packages of the Teton Waters Ranch sausages. We love those. Got a big thing of half and half. Decided to try these Archer's mini meat sticks. Those will be great, especially for Levi. Got 1 pack of the jalapeno chomp sticks. Those are really good. Chocolate chips for the kids' trail mixes. Some breakfast sausage. These are pork sausages. I got 2 of the ground beef patties. That just makes really easy meals. They're really quick and easy to cook in the air fryer. I love that. Got a big bag of frozen broccoli, some organic maple syrup for the kids, and then I got the 5, it was limit 5 on the Kerrygold on sale, so I got 5 of those. So the total that I spent today was $366.03, and here's a view of the receipt if anyone's curious about a specific price. Thanks for hanging out with us and going shopping with us today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you again in the next one. Go ahead.
Bye.
Everybody say bye.
Bye.